guys, I'm Shannon the Garden Girl from Georgina Garden Centre. I'm here on Georgina Island out front of the community centre, and we are planting 2 new maples for them. And I just thought I'd give you a little quick tip here. I'm going to flip the camera around. We've poured buckets of water in and we keep going around the root ball of this tree. And then we go along with the spade. And what this does, the water helps us find any air pockets that are around the root ball. You don't want any air pockets in there. So we pour the water in, you put the spade in, jiggle it around back and forth. You keep going around and around the tree. Lots of water. And that helps get all the air pockets out. And we fill it all the way up to the top until the soil is even with the top of the root ball. We don't add anything on top of the root ball. Just keep going all the way around. So now we have all the air pockets out. We're going to continue filling with water, but we're going to fill in now, backfill all the soil that was here. We did put some good soil in and around at the bottom, but now we're filling in all the way around with all the good soil that we took out. More and more water. And we just keep doing this until the soil level is even with the top of the root ball. We don't want to add any soil on top of that root ball. Okay, so now we have filled in with all our soil. We have made a dish or a donut, if you will, all the way around. And that helps when you water it, the water will stay in and it won't wash everywhere else because you want the water in around the roots. Okay, so there's a few stones and stuff on top, but we didn't add to the soil level there. So that is the one tree without mulch. And then over here, we're just finishing up the mulching. So we're using a natural pine and spruce mulch, and we've gone up and over our donut or our dish. So there's still a dish in the center. We have about 3 inches deep. You want really deep mulch to help hold in the moisture. And if you notice, nothing is touching the trunk of the tree. The mulch stops right before it. I can fit my fingers in there. Nothing is added to the level that this was in if you're planting a pot or we planted a balled and burlap. Nothing is touching that, okay? So that is very important. Don't do the mulch volcano. When your mulch comes up and comes up around the top of the tree, even if it's an inch or a centimeter, you don't want that. You bring your mulch right up to the tree, then you leave a little bit of a collar, if you will, around there, okay? But do the dish as well. So when you water there, all the water stays in, and the thick mulch, 3 inches, helps keep all the moisture in that tree. And that is the beautiful new autumn, I believe they're autumn blaze maples we planted at the community center here on Georgina Island. They look great.